Hey YouTube, this is Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Seller. We're gonna be opening an Elemental Hero Neos tin and the Legendary Collection. In this video, we're gonna be opening this tin. Next video, the Legendary Collection. So stay tuned for that video. So let's get started with the tin. Okay. Oh God. Here it is. Okay, here we go. A secret Elemental Hero Neos. Secret? That's cool. And Rocket Guy. Some stuff. And the packs. Anything down there? Nope. Okay, there's nothing down there. Okay, 2 Cybernetic Revolutions, 1 Elemental Energy, 1 Shadow of Infinity, and 1 Enemy of Justice. Let's start with the Cybernetic Revolution, sorry. Yeah, so. Okay, so we got a DD Trap Hole, rare. Next, another Cybernetic Revolution. Okay, cool. Bubble Shuffle, rare. Next, Elemental Enemy of Justice. Whoa. So, I don't know what's in here. So, see what we get. And, okay, cool. Super Cyber Phoenix. Next is Elemental Energy. Okay. Oh, that was fast. Super BES Terran, and last, Shadow of Infinity. And this will be awesome if we put like a freaking Hammond or something.
Is that a 13 pack card?
No, it's 9 cards.
Oh, okay.
So, should be in the same place. Okay. Oh, no Hammond. Okay. Camera Cut, rare. So we got 2 supers and our Elemental Hero Neos. So that was a okay tin, I guess. And stay tuned, we're gonna be opening a Legendary Collection after this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.